This is the real Tom Rose, and we're solving an SAT problem with a fairly ridiculous equation in it. We've been given a bunch of stuff, and we've been asked to find something. We've been asked to find y given this ridiculous equation. X plus 3 times y equals x squared minus x plus 12, and we're told that x equals 5. Well, let's take the 5 and plug that in for all these x's and see what we get out. We end up with 5 plus 3 times y equals 5 squared minus 5 plus 12. So that's 8y equals 25 minus 5 plus 12. That is 32. And let's divide both sides by 8. And we end up with y equals 4. And we have a match. Yes, the answer is 4, which is what you'd plug in.